Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead multiplayer on PC Steam. Cuphead offers a fantastic cooperative experience for 2 players. You can enjoy this classic run-and-gun adventure with a friend, either locally on the same computer or online through Steam's innovative Remote Play Together feature. This guide will walk you through both setup methods, ensuring you and your partner can jump into the action quickly and easily. Setting up local co-op is straightforward. First, ensure you have 2 controllers connected to your PC, or 1 controller and 1 player ready to use the keyboard. Once Cuphead is launched from your Steam library, the second player simply needs to press any button on their connected controller. This action will seamlessly bring them into the game, allowing both of you to start your adventure together on the same screen. For online co-op, Steam Remote Play Together is your best friend. Begin by launching Cuphead and starting a local co-op game as if someone were sitting next to you. Then, open your Steam overlay by pressing the Shift key and the Tab key simultaneously. From there, simply invite a friend from your Steam friends list. They will receive an invitation and can join your game remotely, even if they do not own Cuphead themselves. To ensure the best multiplayer experience, especially online, a stable internet connection for both players is crucial. Consider adjusting your in-game settings for optimal performance on your PC. Effective communication with your co-op partner is key to overcoming Cuphead's notoriously difficult challenges. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, so practice together and conquer those formidable bosses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.